One of you guys suggested that I check out the Airstream models under 20 feet and see how the other half lives. You know, compare all the stuff the Airstream has compared to some of these others, like the Coleman, things like that, under 20 feet, and at the price, and just for fun. And I thought that would be a great idea, but unfortunately, Airstream didn't show up for this show. So I asked the guy the information, any Airstreams? No, but you ought to go check out Oliver if you're interested in those high quality, high level RVs, you know, smaller RVs. I never heard of Oliver. You ever heard of Oliver RVs? Nope. He said, go down there and check them out. All right, go there. And Oliver RVs, instead of being all aluminum body, they're all fiberglass double wall bodies, and they're really trying, they'll tell you flat out, they're trying to compete with Airstream. They offer every single little possible detail upgrade or whatever. They got some neat ideas. Of course, they're pretty much Airstream priced, and we know that that's a lot. I made a whole video just about the Oliver brand, or at least the brand and this particular model, which was under, well under 20 feet, something like 16, something like that feet. And yeah, they want a lot of money for it, but it sure is nice. It's just for your information, because like I said, I'd never really heard of the Oliver brand before. And it's quite different. And if you have the money, it'd probably be a pretty good investment. You know, it really would. It's a kind of RV, unlike some of the entry-level RVs that, you know, they're for entry-level and you're going to wear them out and you're going to get something else. These don't want to be worn out. These are durable. These are really durable, well thought out RVs. Check it out. Okay, let's be honest. The first thing you do if you buy an RV and you pay $15,000 for it, the first thing anybody does, they go, man, I love RVing. I like doing this kind of thing. What's our next one going to be like? Wow. You know, and then they start thinking about the Airstream or you guys. Okay.
Sure.
And Oliver, that's everybody's pipe dream.
We've all driven through the millionaire neighborhoods, right?
Yes.
It's like, okay, we know we're not buying that house, but we've done it.
You have the desire to get the best, okay? And you can afford to get the best. You want one like one of yours,
They want to be the best.
Yeah.
And there's not a lot of brands that actually have their name on it, right? You can
Right.
Can you name another one?
No.
That actually has the owner name on it.
Right,
Well,
right.
Tiffin comes to mind, right? Tiffin Motorhomes comes
Okay,
to mind.
all right.
So if you think of that, when they put it on, they stand behind it.
Right.
You know what I mean? They're not hiding behind anyone else. And what really made Oliver stand out is they had to make an RV because they were going 60 to 80,000 miles a year. They were going up to Montana and everything was falling apart and breaking. But because they have multiple companies, and one of them being a fiberglass company, so those walk-in bathtubs, that's them. All right? So it's like we're going to make our own because we need something that can withstand the rigors of our lifestyle. Another thing they have over everyone else here is their customers were their salespeople. Unless you wanted to drive to Tennessee and see one, you would go to my house or your house.
I'll bet money. You don't have a hot water tank. You've got on-demand hot water.
We do. It's the Truma Aqua Go.
Yeah.
Cool. And a lot of your people have awnings, right? I've
Yeah.
had them. I found this out the other day. I knew it had a wind sensor.
Oh,
Okay?
really?
I knew it had a wind sensor, but what I didn't know is it protects itself. So when you plug in to leave, if you forgot to bring in your awning, say it.
Well,
it comes
bad
in.
news if you forgot to bring in your
No,
awning.
it retracts. ACs have condensation, right?
Oh, yeah.
See where this one drains out down here. But the steps that they're making, wow. You guys take a good look at that because others are not doing that. No, some of them don't have the convection oven.
Oh, wow.
They're using just a 3 cubic foot refrigerator versus a 5 cubic, and it's 12 volt and 110. And then you can see the backlighting here. Our cabinets don't have screws and staples, so everything you're looking at does. These aren't going to fall down. So you can see the inner mold and then the lower inner mold. The biggest things when you're building an RV is they don't make the access easy for maintenance or service.
No.
So should you need it, a tech will tell you after they go through an Oliver's like, holy cow, that's so much easier. There's no way I'd buy another brand that can do that. Pretend it's nighttime. See that light came on?
Yeah.
You know what else came on? That one.
Okay.
So, Mike, if you had to get up in the middle of the night and go to the bathroom, probably happens. Now you got a little walkway light, right?
Okay.
Right. So it's because it's a seal. Listen for the seal. Push.
Oh.
All right, so now it's locked in.
Now you're in travel mode right there.
There you go. Go on vacation to their residence. I'm leaving. I want to go to a resort.
Yeah.
Hey, it's made for the Great American Road Trip. It's one of their taglines.
All right, well, here we are. Now, we got to look at how the other half lives, or how the half that wants to get something that's going to last them a long time, going to make a big investment, and going to get something that you're going to be able to pass down to your kids. Kind of a legacy sort of RV, I guess you would say. And so, and so, that was great. Thank you, Scott, very much for sharing that with us. And we'll be thrilled to talk about it on our page. And I guess that's about it.